Welcome back to AppWiz. Here's how to fix Reddit saved posts not appearing. Sometimes you might try to view the posts you previously saved on Reddit, but they don't show up or seem to have disappeared. In this situation, the first thing you should do is log out of your Reddit account. After logging out, sign back into your account and check if the saved posts are visible again. Next, try clearing your local history. Simply tap on Clear Local History, and then confirm by tapping OK. Once that is done, head over to your App Store and check if you're using the latest version of the Reddit app. If your app is outdated, update it to the newest version. In most cases, updating the app resolves this issue, so you should be good to go afterward.